James Martin's Learning to Pray is both a spiritual manual and a pastoral companion, designed to help readers discover prayer as a universal practice accessible to all. Drawing on his Jesuit tradition, personal experiences, and pastoral work, Martin demystifies prayer, showing that it is not about saying the right words, but about cultivating a relationship with the divine. The book begins with the premise that everyone can pray. Martin emphasizes that prayer is not reserved for saints or mystics. It is a natural human longing for connection and meaning. A central theme is prayer as relationship. Martin explains that prayer is not a transaction or performance, but a dialogue with God rooted in love and authenticity. Another key theme is variety in prayer. Martin introduces multiple forms of prayer: contemplative, imaginative, silent, communal, so readers can find practices that resonate with their personality and spiritual journey. The book explores major lessons across his guidance. Prayer is universal. Everyone has the capacity to connect with God. Relationship matters. Prayer is dialogue, not performance. Variety enriches. Different forms of prayer suit different people. Honesty is essential. Authenticity deepens connection. Silence speaks. Stillness allows God's presence to be felt. Imagination inspires. Creative prayer opens new pathways. Persistence sustains. Prayer is a lifelong journey, not a quick fix. Practical insights include: start simply. Speak to God as you would to a friend. Explore forms. Try verbal, silent, or imaginative prayer. Be honest. Share joys, doubts, and struggles openly. Practice silence. Allow space for listening, not just speaking. Use scripture. Engage with sacred texts as conversation starters. Join community. Shared prayer strengthens connection. Persist in practice. Prayer grows deeper over time. Martin blends theology, pastoral wisdom, and personal anecdotes. His style is warm, accessible, and inclusive, making the book suitable for seekers, believers, and those curious about spirituality. Another theme is honesty in prayer. Martin insists that God desires authenticity, not polished words, and that expressing doubts or frustrations is as valid as gratitude or praise. The book also emphasizes silence and listening. Prayer is not only speaking, but also creating space to hear God's presence in stillness. The book closes with a reminder: prayer is not about achieving perfection, but about showing up. By practicing honesty, variety, and persistence, anyone can cultivate a meaningful relationship with God. At its core, Learning to Pray is about accessibility and authenticity. It invites readers to embrace prayer as a universal gift, a dialogue of love, and a lifelong journey of presence.